The climate is responding perfectly to signals it's getting. It is not like we need to change the climate. We need to change what we do here on Earth. Regeneration at a practical level depends on where you're focused. Is it food? Is it farming? Is it clothing? Is it energy? We have to look at each of them distinctly and say, okay, what would be a regenerative system? These are the questions that every person, every city, every company, every governance structure has to ask itself. Regeneration is not just about bringing the earth back to life, it is, but it's also about bringing ourselves back to life, bringing our essence, our spirit, our sense of purpose, our meaning to our lives. What we're witnessing right now actually is a burgeoning regeneration movement on Earth. And they're making this 180 pivot, and regeneration is putting life at the center of every act and decision we make. And it's not as though everybody can change overnight to have a regenerative existence. What we can change overnight is to start making that pivot and asking ourselves those questions, which is, does this enhance life or does it remove life?